With today's recipe, you will go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes. That is, as a man, if you want to last longer, all you have to do is to take this simple recipe. With this simple recipe, you will go from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes. Once you take this recipe as I am going to direct you. But the most important thing that you need to do, or you need to give yourself, is to make sure that you treat infections. In case, go to your healthcare provider or to a physician to take a lab or a good diagnosis to make sure that you are good, or you have a healthy immune system and you are disease free. So once you are disease free, that is, you don't have any infection, any recipe you take must give you a benefit, or you must get a benefit, because whenever you have infection and you take any drug, especially natural remedies, you might not get results, or you might not get the actual benefits while you took that drug. So for you to get that benefit you expect, embark to take adequate checkup in order to ascertain if you have infection or not. But if you have, make sure that you treat yourself. Everyone must contact infection one way or the other. So if you have, ensure that you get rid of it as a man in order to perform well, so that anytime you feel like to have an encounter with your partner, you do it as a man, and with this you make your partner happy. Today's recipe is very simple. All you have to do is to provide 3 ingredients. Very simple. And with these 3 ingredients, you will last longer. The 3 ingredients are: number 1 is chocolate tea, but you need to prepare chocolate tea alone and get the juice. After getting the juice, anytime you want to take it, add 1 teaspoon of honey and add milk. These are the only 3 ingredients you are going to mix. Take this recipe regularly. It will boost up your immune system. It will energize you, and it will be a permanent energy in your body system. Once you keep taking chocolates, milk and honey, morning and night, but do not take it consistently. Be taking it maybe once every day, either in the morning or in the night. After you might have finished taking your food, take it at least once every day. Be consistent on it. The more consistency on this particular recipe, the more energy you are getting or you are gaining. So this is a simple recipe to all men in order to be a man of 40 minutes, not 40 seconds. So that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. But before I end this video, please make sure that you take this recipe once every day, and let it never be overdose. Half cup is enough. Do it. You will get the benefit that I mentioned, which is more power, energy, and to boost up your immune system. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.